What's up everyone? So today I've got an important update, an urgent update on Void. Now Void made a video on this project about a week ago, but very soon after that the whitelist did fill. They filled up the 1,250 spots, sorry. And just of yesterday actually, what's happened is all of a sudden the member count has dropped by about 5,000 and their 500 spots have freed up in their whitelist. Now, what's happened is they've individually gone through all the different whitelisted people, and they've checked the invites and they've got rid of bots and they've made sure everything was genuine. And in doing that, they managed to successfully delete 500 guys from the whitelist. And one funny thing that I saw as well is that they didn't actually kick those guys from the server for inviting bots. What they did instead is they gave them a role, calling them a cheat in the Discord server, which I thought was pretty funny as well. But anyway, yes, this is kind of just an urgent update for those guys that maybe watched my video a little bit too late last time and the whitelist closed, is that 500 spots are now reopened on Void. Now, in terms of how to get them, they still haven't really released much information. What they did say is that they're going to be giving certain spots through, quizzes and that kind of stuff that's going to be on their Discord channel. There's actually going to be one today that's going to be starting at 5 p.m. UTC. They'll give away spots, and then I think eventually they are going to get back to deciding on the new requirements of those extra 500 spots. Yeah, this video is just a quick one for you guys. Like, I've already done a full breakdown video on Void where I go through the white papers. It's got 3 different white papers. I go over the tokenomics and the staking and the lock-in and all that kind of stuff. So if you are interested, if this is the first time you've come across this project, I do invite you to go and watch my other video where I do a full breakdown on the Void project. This video is just a reminder to you guys, maybe that missed out last time in the whitelist, that the whitelist is back open and there's 500 spots free for you guys. And so that's it for today, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.